Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 30% off TOTS Mega Offer. How to open TOTS Mega Offer in FC Mobile. Let's get started. But before that, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of rewards from this game. By open this store, you can go to the feature or recommended pack here. So there is some pack that you can purchase with gems, and I want to purchase this. I want to open this mega offer. Tap it. So 30% off and the TOTS mega offer. The pack contain a 92 plus OVR TOTS player, 10 player mixed version player with OVR between 75 and 99, and 10 player best player with a OVR 65 and 74, and also 500,000 of coins. So if you're lucky, you can get one of this player. This is a possible reward for you. So let's open with 15,000 of gem. If you have enough gem, it's very good, it's very worth it to open this mega offer. Tap the gems and let's see. Tap to open. We got UCL player here, left back Nuno Mendes. Yeah, we got Nuno Mendes, and unfortunately the TOTS player is not good enough. We got Jan Nicholas Besti, but he got 100 pace here, very good. And also he got early crosser, long shot taker, final shot. He is pure winger. So maybe this is underrated player that you can get. So maybe you're lucky. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.